kids, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. Yes, so today we are going to learn a new English rhyme which name is two dicky birds. Okay, so let's start. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. Okay, let's sing with me. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter and come